commend the work that Vital Voices.
Hindi ya kĩgomano kĩrĩa kĩrehete hamwe atumia na atongoria rungu rwa kĩũngano kĩa Vital Voices kũrĩa atumia atongoria matanyihĩire 100 kuma thĩinĩ na nja wa bũrũri mareitũrũraga.
Kenyan women leaders from all walks of life here in the country have met together, brought together by African Women Studies Center of the University of Nairobi in collaboration with the VVE, Vital Voices Engage, who are international and trying to engage women to get women to have stronger voices on the things, on the issues that really affect.
Maundu matiganĩte nĩ magwetetwo ta iremithia harĩ gũkinyanĩria mũgambo na mĩeke ya atumia ũtongoria-inĩ.
Because we already know in Kenya we are approaching on average almost 30%. In cabinet we are not yet there, maybe 29. In parliament we are still 20, maybe 1 or 23. And in judiciary we have done very well. But until we have women representation at senior level where decisions are made, then even achieving sustainable development goals will not be possible.
Atumia aya arĩa amwe ao manyitire itemi gũtura mawatho gatiba-inĩ njerũ maugĩtio na gũtuĩka nĩ monete ũtongoria wa atumia ũkĩhĩmbĩrio kũrio na mathenya mabatiĩ kũiyũrio ta ũrĩa gatiba yathanĩte. Mũmbunge wa Gĩthũngũri Gathoni wa Mũcomba arathingata atumia aruna ake ũtongoria-inĩ meherie ngarari cia ũteti nĩguo gwĩkĩra hinya mũgambo wa atumia ta ũrĩa watariĩ hau kabere.
In the early 90s and early 2000, when we were getting into leadership in this country, there was very, very strong women movement in the country, and who really got women out to run for office, and they were educating them, they were building their capacity, they were helping them wherever they are.
It's time for women to rise up. It's time for women to take up their spaces. It's time for women to fill up the spaces without waiting for men to create the space for them.
I would like to advise ourselves to do as women leadership in this country is to forge a very strong women leadership group together with the African Women Studies Center and VVE who are here to now see how we are going to get more women in leadership.
Oho akimenereria kunyururio na kuhuthio gwa atumia aria mari ũtongoria-inĩ nĩ mũingĩ ona atongoria aruna ao.
The movement of such women is missing in this country. And the few that are speaking like myself, we are getting intimidated, we are getting bashed, we are getting a lot of pressure. And therefore, I think this is time for us to speak.
Kĩgomano gĩkĩ kĩraharĩrĩirio nĩ University ya Nairobi, thukuru wa mwanya wa mathomo ma ũkũria wa atumia. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Geto wa Ngari Maria wa Mũigana.